Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Deja. Today we'll be reviewing the infamous Good Apple foundation by KVD Beauty. This is not a first impression of the foundation. I used it yesterday. Was that yesterday? I don't know if it was yesterday or the day before yesterday, but I used it for the first time on TikTok. And I called several places. I went to 3 different locations. I purchased mine at Sephora. I didn't even know Ulta carried it. I thought it was going to be exclusively at Sephora. And I called a Sephora employee at the North Park location, and he told me that it's only sold at Sephora. So he kind of sent me off, but whatever. I picked up the shade 1066. This is like on the verge shade. It's like in the middle. A medium color, like shade. This is like, to me, medium. And the shade before this is super light. It was a jump. So one thing I want to note with the KVD foundation, if you have used their liquid to powder foundation, I think that the shades are kind of corresponding, because this is also shade 66 and then we have shade 66 with the ball. I wonder how these two would look together, you know? I don't know. Should I do that? Should I do one side, this one, and one side, that one, so that y'all can see what it looked like? I don't know. I feel like it's such a good idea. Like, I don't know what I want to do. And I actually like this foundation. So that's 66, the liquid foundation. So as you can see, we have the very warm tone is the liquid one, and the one that's a little, it's kind of coming up kind of neutral, that is the balm. I don't know. I would compare them, but I guess the shades don't correspond because they don't look the same. I'm gonna clip my hair back so we can get into it. That looks stupid. Why y'all ain't say nothing? Y'all see me over here looking stupid. All right, let me just tell y'all something. This hair was sent to me. It's a 13x4 HD lace. Now look, I over bleached my knots, and I tried to color it in with some Sharpie, and I don't know why I thought I was just gonna dry down and I'd be able to style it per usual. But no, when you get it wet and when you put whatever product you have on there, it makes the Sharpie come off. So then I had like purple stuff on my lace. Luckily I was able to get most of it off, but it was looking a little crazy. My edges was looking a tad bit purple. Anyways, I'm talking. Let me just prep my face. Today I'm going to use the Kate Somerville Goat Milk Moisturizer. But girl, ooh, I gotta shave my mustache. The girls are fighting over this foundation. I forgot I wanted to put on some contact lenses. I also feel like the foundations being sold out everywhere has a lot to do with the marketing. I think because KVD honestly has not been exciting for a long time. Like, I was kind of excited for this foundation, the one previous, this foundation when I was working at Sephora. But if you're not in Sephora and you're not in the know and the girls aren't talking about it on TikTok, you're just gonna be unaware. And this foundation is good, but the whole, oh my God, it's sold out everywhere, all of that is part of marketing. I think she purposely did not stock all of the foundations, because when I was talking to the girls at Sephora, they were saying like, yeah, we didn't get all the shades. So I'm like, I put them 2 and 2 together. All this hype on TikTok, she's not putting all the shades in stock. I'm like, I see. You wanted the hype to be, oh, it's sold out everywhere, so that people are more inclined to go see what it's about. And I ain't mad at it. I want to put on my contact lenses. I got my contact lenses in, so, and I don't need these to see. I just do it for aesthetic. Oh, let me show y'all the shades. Look, they look closer in color. Here's the balm, here's the liquid. They're very similar in color, but I can't say that they're exact. I'm gonna use this Laura Mercier Pure Canvas Primer. I'm gonna use my NYX Cosmetics foundation brush, number 25. All you really need is like an angled brush. I feel like that's what I see the girls use, and I think that's what she's been selling on the Sephora website. You really have to make sure you use the right primer with this, because as you're going down, you don't want shit foundation to start to roll. I have a little bit of that going on towards like my chin area. What I'm learning with this foundation, swiping, it does give you a pretty finish, but I feel like if you want a little bit more coverage, stippling the brush, like pressing it like this, and in certain areas will allow it to kind of build. I'm just going to continue my face as normal. This is really a wear test. I'm doing this a second time because a lot of y'all requested that I do a wear test. I asked and y'all said yes, so that's what we're doing. I'm going to use my NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop. Usually I use my e.l.f. one. Now, I personally haven't heard much about the wear time of the foundation. I've seen some people say that it doesn't really hold up after a couple of hours, and I have combination skin. I typically get oily on my nose, and maybe like a little bit like right here, maybe if I'm like really oily. I'm gonna use my Cameroon foundation stick from Juvia's Place just to contour a little bit. All I wanna hear is in the visions on replay, sit right next to you. Typically, I don't use actual lace adhesive on my units. Yeah, it's lasting longer, but I just don't like how I get makeup on the lace. And when you get makeup on the lace, you can wipe it off, but I just feel like that makes the lace not last as long because you have makeup on it. Then you have to, clean it off and stuff. Damn, this wig is really pulling my head back. Y'all see how shiny my head is? Because that skin is taut. It is giving me a facelift. I'm not mad at it. I am kind of surprised that she came out with a dewy foundation, considering we in a panoramic and people are wearing their masks. Well, you're required to wear your mask. You know what I forgot to do? I forgot to put translucent powder on my nose. That's what I typically do just to control the oil. I forgot. Well, we'll see how that's gonna last. I already know that's gonna get really, well, I don't know. We'll see. Y'all, I've been seeing girls like do the whole, oh, this is how I did makeup in 2018 versus 2021, right? I'm looking at them things like, girl, that is not how you do your makeup now. Stop acting like we're not using concealer. Stop acting like we're not using hella foundation, okay? Because the girls is. Y'all like to fake the funk on the internet, but y'all is doing glam. I know it's all for the love of trends and going viral and stuff like that, but you can still stay truthful to what you actually do. Like I definitely wear more makeup now, but it's the way that I'm placing it, how I'm doing it. It looks cleaner. It looks more precise, I feel like. Okay, I might have OD'd on a concealer, but don't play with me. I'm finna blend this out. All right, y'all. So I blended out the concealer and I did my nose contour. So now I'm going to set everything. Y'all, I've been using the One Size translucent powder by Patrick Starr. Y'all, it's bomb. Like, this is the only powder that I've used where I actually do feel like it blurs. It blurs and it doesn't dry out my under eyes. I can pack this on and it does not make my under eyes look dry to me. Yes, I still have fine lines because I have that naturally, but this right here deserves a trophy because you did that. I heard that it doesn't have talc. It's like made from like cornstarch or something like that. So apparently I gotta use this little dusty because I can't find my other brush. This is the e.l.f. brush. It's fine. I just prefer my other one. For the girls that don't use powders, how y'all do that? How do you not set your makeup? How does that work? And I'm asking because I really want to know. Set that forehead, girl. Cause she's shining, yeah. All of this winning. Okay, usually I do my nose contour much differently with the powder. I don't put it all over my nose, but I forgot to put the powder underneath, so we need this to bake. We need this to last, because my nose gets super, super oily. Like, you touch it, everything comes off. Okay. I'm gonna do my brows off camera. Hey y'all, so I'm back. Looking like a whole new bitch. You know what I forgot to do? Like, I like putting the blush underneath the makeup, like while it's still wet. It be doing something for me. Like, it does something and I like it, but I just keep forgetting to do it. So I'm gonna use my crayon case blush book. Girl, she got all the blushes. She got all the blushes. Look at this. This is so beautiful. You see that? Y'all see that? Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. 1, 2, 3. I'm putting my hand there so I don't get on my lace. You know, I ain't trying to turn red. I'm gonna take like a little like paintbrush. I like to use this for my nose highlight. Cause look, y'all might not think that the highlight placement matters, but it does. The skinnier the highlight is on your nose, the more snatched your nose looks. So that's what we're gonna do. We want a very precise application. And on the nose, instead of making like a little circle like that, I like kind of go across now. I have not decided like what kind of makeup I want to do. Like, I keep thinking about green. Like, I want something green on my eyes. All right, y'all. Now I'm gonna spray my face. I'm going to first spray my face with the Morphe Continuous Mist just to melt the powders away. I'm gonna be liberal with this. So I'm gonna do a second layer with the NYX Matte Finishing Spray. Now, this is honestly like a dupe for the Urban Decay All Nighter Spray. Like, I've used both and I feel like they work the same, so. Like, this will never get old to me. Like, this a clean face, like contour, highlight, but no, nothing on the eyes or anything like that. It'll never get old to me. Like, it's gonna always look good. This is classic. Like, it just looks like a nice, fresh face. I love that. I think I'm gonna just put baby blue in my waterline and put some eyelash and eyeliner on. This is a baby blue eyeliner from the Desert Dream collection from LA Girl. They sent this to me a while ago. He say he don't want me back. He be lying. I'm the boss. I'm the sauce. I'm just taking a little bit of brown face powder. I meant to grab my bronzer. Oh my god. But I can't find it. So I'm just using that just to kind of give my eyeballs a little shape to it. Something slight. NYX Cosmetics Epic Ink Liner. Honestly, it's one of the best ones I've used. I feel like I talked about it before on my channel, but 9 times out of 10, if I'm wearing eyeliner, it's this one. I swear it's hard to keep this feeling to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My highest from my rocket love. Oh my god, look how far I extended that. That's like a whole new eyeball. Oh my god. I didn't mean to extend it that far, but I'm not mad at it. So, but let's just see if I can get this eye like that eye. Girl, I look like Pocahontas. So the lashes I'm wearing are by Kiss. This is the pack right here. Triple push-up XL style called Influencer. That is so funny. And I use Buxom mascara for my bottom lashes. The Buxom, and I use the Milk mascara because it's waterproof. And I really don't want there to be transfer at the bottom. Yeah, well, my appointment for my lips is tomorrow at 12. I'm kind of excited. Like, overall, again, if y'all watch my last vlog, I am happy with the overall shape and everything. There are a couple of minor things I want her to just kind of tweak for me. It's so weird because some days I feel like my lips look small, then other days I feel like my lips look big. Like, I don't know. Maybe it's mental. It's mental, love. It's mental. So I'm gonna use my Anastasia lipstick. I'm gonna use the Buxom White Russian lip gloss. So here on out, what I'll do, I'll just kind of document throughout the day. The time is now 5:31. I've already had this foundation on for an hour. I want to leave it on till about maybe 11:30, 12 o'clock. I'm going to insert some clips of me in the natural sunlight so y'all can get all the skin, all the tea that y'all need as we proceed to get what you need. Ah, she got bars! Yeah, I'll be back, okay?
6 hours later.
Girl, why my wig slid back? What had happened was I had went outside and made a TikTok because I had got these shoes from Fashion Nova. I thought they were so cute. And I did the little dance. It's like, the audio is called Lock It. Whatever. And it was majority like this side. This side had slid back. But I had to reapply my wig. Like, and I'm not saying reapply, take it off, you know, get the glue off the hair, you know, take the glue off. Cause I had used actual adhesive. I used Ghost Bond. Okay, I know I said that I was supposed to record throughout the day, like little stop points. But surprisingly, my nose isn't even as oily as I thought it was going to be. So I was determined to get this video to finish it. So I did not touch my makeup. Well, okay, I had to touch up around the hairline, like up here, but all up in here, this, I ain't touching. So the time is now 1:13 a.m. I've had this on for about 7 hours. Lighting can help smooth your skin, but I really don't have a lot of texture on my face. I've seen my nose get way oilier than this. The only thing I'm seeing, like close up, is a little bit of texture, like underneath my nose, like the makeup was started to separate a little bit. Even my mouth area is doing much better than I thought, because usually I'll start to crease a little bit around the smile lines, and I don't really have a lot. And I've been talking, girl, I had a whole Chick-fil-A sandwich, and I have not touched up my lips. Honestly, I can go out like this. Like, it still looks good. I could go out and run the streets. I can run the streets in this foundation still. Final thoughts. I don't have anything bad to say about this foundation. Like, I like the texture of it. I think the color is good. I did a good job picking the color out. I still believe in the product. You should go get this. You should buy it. Like, I can see girls adding this to their kits. Like, I think it's really versatile. Like, you can wear it very dewy and editorial like, or you can do full beats and mattify it. I don't know if the oily girls can wear this. I feel like maybe your skin won't produce as much oil because it's oil in it, so your skin doesn't have to work extra hard because it has the oils or something in there. It's gotta have some type of oil in here, something. I didn't look at the ingredients, okay? I'm trying to think like what else to say other than she needs to put the colors, the rest of the colors in the store so that people can buy it. So y'all, tomorrow's my appointment for my lips. If y'all watch my vlog, y'all seen it. Y'all know this day was coming. It's tomorrow. So expect that vlog to be up. Stay tuned for that. And if there's anything else y'all interested in, you know, me trying out or things you want me to do, you know, leave it in the comments. Follow me on Instagram, follow me on TikTok. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.